Welcome to SmartForms 365 app, available for free to download from Windows Store. The SmartForms 365 is a data collection app which can be used for creating surveys, forms, for any other field data capture, training courses, exams and assessments, audit and inspection. Now let's see this in action. Form owner first creates the form. Forms are created within app itself, so there is no separate website to log in or register. Just select the required question type and drag and drop in this area. It can be used for patient feedback survey, research questionnaire. It can also be used for facilities inspections, clinical audits. You can also upload images and signature in the form. It can also be used to create assessment mark sheet, which can be used to rate different trainees during interviews, exams, OSCE spaces, and also during the electronic sign-offs during their clinical placements. Let's see patient record form as an example. Health visitor or any other mobile workforce can use this form for managing patient care. Users can complete this form without internet connection as well. It also allows you to upload photo from the devices, or you can use device camera as well. You can also do signatures on the form. Now you can save this form on your own local device, or you can submit it back to the form owner. Now form owner can view graph report and see answer statistics for each question. So you could see 50% patients are managed by Dr. Smith, 20% by Dr. Brown, and so on. You can also sort this data by count or by data or by percentage. You can also export records into CSV, Excel and HTML format. Downloaded indicates that this record has been downloaded from the cloud. Saved indicate that this record has been created on the local device. HTML export also includes images and signature. Individual record can also be exported into PDF format. Individual record can also be sent to Microsoft OneNote. Please note, both form owner and form respondent uses same app. Hence, both user types get same functionality, except form respondent can only view and export their own data, while form owner can see all the data from all the respondent once submitted on the cloud. Please note, users need internet connection only to download the form and submit data. No internet connection is required while collecting the data. Users also keeps copy of the submitted form on their device as well. Please visit our support website for more information. You can also send us feedback on smartforms365@hotmail.com. Thanks for watching.